Hi, I'm ill.Gates, but today I come to you as Dylan because we are not talking about music. We're talking about the coronavirus and what you can do to help. The fact is, the governments of the world and healthcare systems of the world are not enough. History chose this generation to stand up and fight. And one of the best ways that you can join the fight is to join the Coronavirus Army at coronavirusarmy.org. There's a questionnaire that you can fill out, put in your specific skill sets, etc., and then you'll be invited to join one of the stand-up meetings where you can learn about the people making ventilators, the people making masks, the people engaging in community outreach programs to help those in need. There's a lot of different ways you can help. Many of them do not involve exposing yourself to the coronavirus. So whatever your skill set, whatever your level of exposure, there is a way that you can help, and humanity needs you. So please join me in joining the fight at coronavirusarmy.org. Together, we can take this thing down.